Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Femke and for today I have a really quick and kind of fun unboxing video. I have ordered some nail polishes by Essence and Catrice at boozyshop, which is actually like an online web store where you can get like tons of makeup, supplies, nail stuff, like a lot of beauty stuff you can actually think of. They sell it and they're actually really near to where I live as well, so that is a big plus. I love to support my local businesses, so yeah, that is pretty much where I usually get my Essence and Catrice polishes from. I do know that they ship kind of internationally, so if you're not in Belgium or the Netherlands where I actually am, I do think you can order them when you live in Spain and the UK as well, and otherwise you just have to check their website because I'm not quite sure, to be honest. So yeah, this is not a sponsored video or anything of that kind. It is just me buying some new nail polishes because I love Catrice and Essence, and they just recently came out with their new fall winter 2025 collection updates. So yeah, I was like, I have to get some new polishes. So yeah, I'm just going to unbox them real quick. As you can see here, they are wrapped pretty nicely in a lot of bubble wrap. So I am taking my tiny like manicure scissors, which I always use for cutting up little pieces of tea bag. If I have like a tear in my nail or something like that, I use that tea bag method to fix it up, and this little pair of scissors is so sharp, it is insane. It cuts through everything with super like precise, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I actually got a couple of base coats, I've got some top coats, and of course I got the new colored polishes as well. And there was also a collection, like an additional collection by Catrice, which is a magnetic nail polish collection. And yes, I have already recorded the videos, like the swatch and review videos of the Essence ones and the Catrice magnetic polishes as well. I don't think I have already recorded the Catrice, like the regular Catrice nail polish ones. Like, I think they're called, oh man, what were they called again? Let me think. I think those were called like the Gel Affair nail polishes. They aren't gel polishes by any means. If the bottle is like see-through, you can actually see the polish inside. It is a regular nail polish and not a gel, so you don't have to cure it. Just a little extra information because I get this question so often. Let's just get that part out of the way. Actually, all of the polishes I'm showing you right here are regular nail polishes, which is pretty much the only thing I use at the moment. Next to my gel polish like base and top coat, which I do as a very thin overlay on my own nails. But yeah, those Catrice polishes, I don't think I have swatched those yet. I have like spent like an hour or maybe 2 hours recording like a little earlier this week, but life has been so busy, I haven't had really like a chance to sit down and think what I've actually done so far. I know I have recorded 4 videos already, but I can't remember which ones exactly anymore because everything is still on my work desk. Like, you know, once one of my babies starts crying, I have to go to them, I have to feed them, wash them, like take care of them, you know. And with a little boy, Apollo, which is only like 12 weeks old at the moment, he needs still a lot of care, of course. But yeah, I'm just quickly unboxing those. I'm really curious to hear from you guys which ones you would like me to share first. As I mentioned, I haven't recorded all of them yet, so do let me know which ones you would like to see first, so I can actually try to edit that video next and put it up next week. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below. I do really find it like such a shame that they discontinued the Catrice Icon Nails collection, even though that Gel Affair collection polishes is like following up on that. I really liked the uniformness of all of the bottles throughout the last like 5 years, I have to say. And now they have totally changed up the bottles as well as the caps, so it looks a lot different in my nail polish collection right now, which is just something that I've noticed a lot of other nail polish like enthusiasts, hoarders, collectors talk about as well. I don't dislike the look of the bottles, it's just a shame that it isn't the same as it used to be. Let's just put it at that. But yeah, here I'm unboxing actually a couple of those Catrice polishes, and I really felt like this pink Catrice one looked a lot like the pink from the new Essence nail polish collection update. I will just try and see if I can swatch those next to each other to see if they are similar, because the Essence ones are actually a little bit more how do you say that, affordable. Sometimes like I have brain farts. That is just my brain like still recovering from being pregnant the last like 3, almost 4 years with all 3 of my babies. And of course English isn't my mother tongue, it isn't like my first language. I'm Dutch, so Dutch is pretty much my mother tongue. So yeah, sometimes my brain gets kind of frazzled because I perfectly know what it is in Dutch, and then I have to like quickly translate it in my brain to English to actually talk to you guys. And sometimes I just have brain farts, like I'm really sorry, it happens. But yeah, I don't even know what I was talking about. Like that is one of those things that I really notice being like not pregnant anymore, but still having like the effects of having pregnancies or have had pregnancies. Like my brain is all over the place. So sorry about that, but I know a lot of you do like my rambly kind of videos. So yeah, enjoy while you can. I actually also bought the once again magnetic thing for these magnetic polishes, like the magnet. It is dual ended though, so that's quite nice. Like a lot of brands actually only do like the square one, which I'm showing you right here what it looks like. It usually just gives like a stripe kind of magnetic effect, but it also has a little round one on the other end. And yeah, I still have to like try it out and see what effect that exactly gives. But yeah, if you already have like little nail art magnets like this one, you don't really have to buy another one. The magnetic polishes were, I think, like €3.95 in euros. The regular Catrice ones, like the Jellyfair ones, like the ones I'm putting down right here, those were like €2.95 a bottle. And I think that the Essence ones were, let me think, like €2 or something. I don't think they were €2.95. I think they're like €1.95 in euros. So yeah, those are actually quite inexpensive, and the quality is always really good, to be honest. I've been a fan of Essence and Catrice polishes for, I don't even know how long, like 15 years. I think they're great. Oh, and on the back, in the background, you can actually hear my littlest boy start crying, so I'm just going to stop this video. And thank you already so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see me do first, like what video to edit and upload first. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and as usual, I hope to see you in my next video as well. Bye. I'm going to be a mother now. I love you guys. See you next time.